Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can set dark mode in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, go to the settings of your phone and now click on display. Now you can tap on dark here and dark mode will be immediately applied. Yes, it is immediately applied now. If you want to customize the dark mode, click on dark mode settings here, and you can use two options here. First option is turn on as scheduled. So turn on this button and you can set it sunset to sunrise. Click on turn on. So only when sunset to sunrise dark mode will be applied. If you click on custom schedule, you can create your own schedule and make dark mode automatically applied at that scheduled settings set by you. Here click on start time and change the time here. I would like to change 17, that is 5 p.m. This is start time, and end time I would like to end at 6 a.m. So I select 6 here. So every day evening 5 p.m. dark mode will be started automatically, and on the next day at 6 a.m. it will be ending. So in this way you can easily set custom schedule. If you click on light, then dark mode will be immediately disabled and you can bring back your your tablet to normal mode, that is light mode. So in this way you can easily switch between dark mode and light mode immediately. But if you want to set custom schedule, then you have to customize dark mode settings. In this way you can easily use dark mode in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.